What's good, cryptocurrency? I hope you're doing well. I'm your host today, jacobcrypobury. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here because I will be sticking around throughout the bear market, helping you navigate through the tumultuous waves of cryptocurrency. So we're going to do a quick update video on Stepn GMT, guys. They've got lots of giveaways and things going on, so they are really interacting with their community at the moment. But is it enough to push the price to the sky, or are they just basically, you know, hand-holding the community, making everyone feel at home whilst there is maybe a background rug pull in the process? Who actually knows? I highly doubt that is actually what is going on. But let's take a little look anyway. So GMT Stepn is down to 17.73%. Our move to earn, play to earn cryptocurrency project. The market cap has now lost its 1 billion milestone. We're 683 million. And I suppose when you look at the circulating supply as well, one thing I don't like is that we only have 10% of the circulating supply currently released, which is, in my opinion, a little bit, a bit alarming. You could say we've got 600 million tokens released of the total 6 billion that we have available, and that's something we got to consider here, guys. That could, easily change everything in terms of price structure. Looking at the year, we came up to $3.83, and now we're always back down there to $1.17. So we've lost a lot of the major price and the price structure. What's happening at the moment, this is why it's urgent, is we're losing this key area of support. Literally, as I speak, on the 5-minute time frame, putting through some huge bear flags, and it's bear flag after bear flag. Look at this volatility, guys, absolutely insane. Just a few minutes ago we were already trading at 117. We're now down to 108, so hopefully we do get a bit of a scoop up here as the RSI leans to being extremely oversold on the 5-minute time frame. And should that be the case, then maybe there will be a bit of hope for GMT to climb back over maybe the $1.30 mark. Looking at, again, the 4-hour time frame, we're losing the support, and the trajectory does tell us that if we lose this particular support level, we're going to come down to about $0.9 again. We could even lose this particular support and see $0.81. Now, I don't think that's too likely. I think we're more likely to get a retest of this now resistance level, and then we might get a breakthrough back to the upside. But if we do see continuation, then I am looking at this particular 0.9 level. The reason is this looks like a giant bear flag, and if we look at the technical price target right here for GMT, it does take us down to these lower levels, looking at even 0.7 for this particular project. Now, the reason I think it's not going to happen is because we did have the March 12 Lunar FUD event. Of course, the attack caused massive capitulation of fear in the market. Therefore, this was a bit of a blip. I do think that the price should have been trading more kind of like this and then back through. So this is quite anomalous. It shouldn't have happened. It was not really something that technical analysis could have, premeditated or forecasted whatsoever. So we are losing the key support. Of course, $1.28 is very sensitive as well. It's now a big resistance, but hopefully we can just get a bit of buying pressure back here. Looking at the RSI as well, we were oversold here. We got a nice pump to the upside. We're getting oversold on the same particular area. So I do speculate probably more chance that we're going to get a pump to the upside over here, guys. Maybe a retest of around the $1.30 level would be really nice to see. If Bitcoin does fold down to $25,000 and less, then of course we're going to see GMT come even lower. So we might even say hello to some lower levels. Looking at the macro scale of what's going on, we're between the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci. So that, again, is quite a nice accumulation phase from where we did fall out of the rising wedge pattern over here on the 30th of April. So am I bullish long term for GMT? I think long term, yes. Short term, the markets are very risky. High risk, high reward. Altcoins are pretty risky as well at the moment, guys. Crypto bubbles, we can see ETH is down 9%, Bitcoin is down 3.1% on the weekly market cap time frame, and we've lost the $30,000 and $1,800 price level for these blue chip coins. Quite alarming. If we look at some price estimates for Stepn GMT, let's have a little look. I'm going to say we're going to come down to 0.95 because I am the bearish bull, everybody. $2.52, what nonsense. Moon boys everywhere. This is a bunch of moon boys trying to pump their bags. Ignore all of this stuff. What else can we talk about today? Bitcoin rainbow chart falling back into the blue band now. We're getting into that buy accumulation zone, just like over here from COVID-19 crash and the following the 2017 bear market and bull market. charts does show a pattern that every time we're in blue, it's time to accumulate. Again, this depends on whether we do come down to this 200-week moving average, just like we did on the COVID-19 event and following the 2018 bear market and bull market. So one could assume, do we come down lower and even revisit lower levels such as $20,000? And that's when you're going to see so much smart money flow in. Look what's going on with the RSI every time we're overextended on this monthly time frame. Again, it's the peak of the bull market. Now the RSI is all the way down here, back in a crypto winter, back in a market lull, finding the bottom of the the cryptocurrency market right now. So there's lots of things to consider. GMT is currently losing its support, so it could easily fold a bit lower. But again, if enough volume comes in and people buy this project, it will be flying back up to 130 in no time. So I don't truly know what will happen, but if we look at the 15-minute time frame, it does look like we're just seeing these printed bear flags. As you see, we've got a bear flag here. We lost that one. Another bear flag here. We lost this bear flag. And maybe we're even going to put through another bear flag. We'd have to sit here and wait, but we're not going to do that for the sake of insanity. And we are getting that buyback pressure right now at this particular level. So look out for another particular bear flag. It seems so far each flag we're losing a fair bit of valuation. 7% on this one. We've lost about 8% on this one. If we lose the support again, looking at 8%, we'll be moving down to about under $1, guys. So look out for it. Printing the first green candle on this 5-minute time frame. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, like. Also, hop into the Learn to Trade and Business to Community Discord channels, Telegram channels down below. And also hop into my Discord channel if you want to just say hello, interact with a nice cryptocurrency community. No strings attached. It's completely free. I appreciate the view, guys. See you soon and leave some suggestions. Bye now. See you.